In the Valley, 9 years of delays finally coming to an end. Christopher Redondo, the man accused of gunning down a Gilbert police lieutenant, now on trial, but he was not in the courtroom. ABC 15's Angie Cayley was there and explains why. Angie?
That's right. He was in the building here, but not inside the courtroom. We understand he was in a room nearby, but became loud and unruly and had to be moved. Prosecutors are seeking death for Christopher Redondo in the 2010 murder of Gilbert Lieutenant Eric Shoehandler. Redondo accused of shooting Lieutenant Shoehandler in the face during a traffic stop. A Mesa officer today testified he was so close to the scene at Val Vista and Baseline, he heard the shot and was there in seconds.
You see where there's some debris on the left side of the photo? That's where I discovered him.
Lieutenant Christopher Toth testified that he tried to talk to Shoehandler, but Shoehandler couldn't speak.
Was he gurgling?
His breathing was agonal. Okay. He moved his jaw back and forth as if he was trying to go ahead and communicate with me.
Redondo allegedly shot Lieutenant Shoehandler shortly after he pulled over the truck he was riding in. The prosecution contends Shoehandler had no time to react before Redondo fired.
And his gun was in his holster. His uniform was very presentable. It did not look like he had been in a scuffle. I did not see any signs of being in a fight.
Redondo and the driver, Damian Irizarry, then led police on a 50-mile chase that ended in a shootout. Both men were badly injured, which is what prompted the delay. Redondo suffered a brain injury in the shootout and had to be found competent to stand trial. Irizarry was sentenced to 107 years for his role in the killing. Now, the defense tried to end the case just about as soon as it got started, saying parts of Martinez's opening statement to the jury was improper. The judge denied that mistrial. Live in Phoenix, Angie Cayley, ABC 15, Arizona.
A lot of people have been waiting for this trial. Thanks so much, Angie.